bless and keep you away. And may your wishes all come true. May you always do for others and let others do for you. May you build a ladder to the stars and climb on every rung, and may you stay to be righteous, and may you grow up to be true. May you always know the truth and see the light surrounding you. May you always be courageous, stand upright and be strong, and may you stay stay young, forever young. May your hands always be busy, and may your feet always be swift, and may you have a firm foundation when the winds of change shift. May your heart always be joyful,